occlusion settings. So for that, as you can see, we have already primed the pump and it's running right now. It's already primed, de-aired, okay, all the shunts are open. So first of all, you have to make sure that all the shunts are open. You can see this is the shunt. Shunt is something that gives back blood or prime back into the reservoir. Okay, you can see this is a shunt over here of oxygenator recirculation line. Again, this is a shunt over here, and you can see there is also one shunt of this manifold over here. So before checking the occlusion, what you have to do, you have to turn off all the shunts. Make sure your circuit is primed completely, then turn off all the shunts. Okay, again this is the third shunt we are going to turn off. Now what you have to do is that you have to clamp your arterial line. Once all the shunts are off, you have to lower your flows lowered, pump stop, and arterial line is clamped. The arterial outlet should be clamped. Then what you have to do is that you have to put it on RPM mode, that is revolutions per minute. LPM is the liters per minute, RPM is the revolutions per minute. Now this is on LPM mode. We are going to switch it to RPM mode. Then you have to run the pump at 5 RPMs. As you can see, you will get the pressures over here. Okay, the lowest pressures are 166 and the highest pressures are, you can see the highest pressures over here, 231 is the highest we are getting. So what is the occlusion is high? You can see, I'll just open the cap and increase the occlusion a bit. Now you'll see I've increased the occlusion. See, the pump is getting stopped at the stop limit. You can see over here. Okay, then once it comes below the limit, the pumps get turned on again. You can see the pump. Okay, so for that you have to make sure once it comes on the stop limit, you have to immediately open the cap and reduce the occlusion. You can see this arrow over here. This means if you rotate this disc to this arrow, the occlusion will get tightened up. If you rotate this wheel opposite to the direction of the arrow to the blunt side or the side which has no arrow, the occlusion will get loose. So I'm rotating it and then again putting back the cover. You can see the occlusion has become loose. Again, it's much loose than the previous one. Okay, so now once it reaches the stop limit, immediately open the cap and loosen the occlusion a little bit. As you can see how I do it over here. Now you can see I'm ready. See, again open, loosen it a little bit up, 1 or 2 rotations. Okay, you can see the occlusion is now okay. See, the highest side is 262, the lowest side is around, you can see the lowest side, it's around 200. Okay, so this here, right, is the adequate occlusion for the main roller pump. As you can see, the roller pump is rotating at 5 revolutions per minute and our occlusion settings are 200 to 265. Okay, so this is the perfect occlusion for the main roller pump. It shouldn't be less than 150 and it shouldn't be higher than 280 or 290. Okay.